Hello, I'm Mike Robinson, and this is another West Coast moment. Well, I'm lying here on a beach, a boulder beach on the west coast of Vancouver Island, examining the flora and fauna around me and sharing it with you. In front of me now, although you may not be able to see it, are dozens and dozens of purple shore crabs. The Latin name is Hemiagrapsis nudus. My daughter always loved that one. Well, I wish you could see exactly how many are near me right now. I'm going to reach out and grab one and show it to you. You'll probably get pinched. Oh, come on. You little rascal. Oh, little rascal. Ah, there he is. Woo! There you are. Can you see him? Oops. Oh, his damned leg fell off. Well, he'll live to fight another battle, the scrappy little devil. However, I suppose we'll have to edit that part out. Well, what else can I show you? How about some Turkish towel? This is a lovely exfoliant seaweed that can be used. Give one to your sweetie. She'll love you for it, and you'll love how she feels. I've got to get into marketing this stuff. Oh, look at that rosy hue. Well, that's it for another West Coast moment. I am Mike Robinson. You're not.